What's going on, guys? Today I'm changing the cabinet air filter on B8 Audi S4. This is from 2011, and this should work for every B8 model, I'm pretty sure, even the Q5s and a few of those as well. I'll link all the models that this should work for. But here's the new filter, and luckily the filter housing is located right under the glove box on your passenger side, so I'm just trying to get to that. Alright, first thing you want to do is come down here below your glove box, and you're going to see 3 screws right here in the back. So this is the foam panel right here where the filter housing is located at. So there's a screw right here. You can undo that one. They just screw off like this. It's also a screw to the left of it and one further back. So it comes out just like that. There's also one right here. And then one right here in the back. And I don't have a screw on mine, so I'm just gonna pull this one right on out. So once you do that, simply take this foam part and just pull it down. And right there in the back is where you have the filter housing cap. This tab right here, push it that way and the whole thing should pop right on off. Just like that. It's just grab the filter and literally just pull it on out. So there should be a tab there. And you can pretty much see how dirty you get. Now this right here is a really bad, a really old filter, I would say, but definitely did its job. Wow. Now take your new filter, make sure you slide back in the exact same way. All right, next thing you want to do is take your tray, slide this right back on, slide the foam and the screws back into place, and you're good to go. All right, it's that easy, and I would suggest don't do it on a hot day like it is today in Texas, 100 degrees outside. So pick a cool day to do it. And how often should you replace these? Pretty much every 15,000 miles, or if you want to, just do it every oil change. Honestly, it's good to keep the air fresh in your cabin, so you do it like that as well. If you guys want to pick up this filter, it's on Amazon. It should be for all the B8, A4, S4, Q5, all those. It's on Amazon for about 20 bucks. So link in the description if you need it. Thanks for watching.